Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do multi-lane roundabouts. So I'm approaching Swan Island now. This roundabout, from three sides there are two lanes on the approach without any marking, which means we will use left lane to go ahead and first exit, and we will use right lane to go right third exit or make a U-turn. I will show you second exit, how you can do second exit. So I am approaching the roundabout now. I am in left lane. I can see speed change sign. So on approach of the roundabout, your speed should be between 15 to 20, so you can easily slow down and stop or carry on if it is clear. So I am in left lane. In the roundabout there are three lanes. So as I'm going ahead, I will use middle lane as I will enter, like this, and then I will keep going around, and after first exit I will check mirror, indicate, start moving to the left and take the exit. Now I can see 40 signs, so I will speed up. There is a bus lane as well, checking my mirrors, using indicator. So that's how you will do second exit. Now I need to go to the middle lane because I need a U-turn. I will cancel signal again to go to the right lane so I can make a U-turn. Okay. Now most learners, they join right lane from here. Remember, left lane is your normal driving lane, so you always choose left lane when there is multi-lane. So from this side, taking second exit is same like I just did. So this time I will go left first exit so I can make a U-turn and come back from other side, and I will show you how you can do second exit if you are coming from Garretts Green side and going towards U-tree. Remember, two lanes exiting on this exit, so right lane is shortly merging after exit, so you need to be careful about traffic from your right side because they will merge into your lane. Sun is very bright. Okay, now we are approaching the same roundabout from different side, from Garretts Green side, and we are going towards Stratford, Yardley. Only from this side on the approach there are three lanes. Left lane go first exit, middle lane will go ahead, and right lane will go right. So again, as I will join the roundabout, I will stay in the middle lane, which will take me to the left lane after first exit. After this car we can go, checking my right mirror, left mirror. Now I can stay in the left lane here. I can use indicator now. I can keep left lane nice and easy. I can cancel my signal now because it's not going to benefit anyone anymore. I'm looking for the pedestrian crossing. No one is waiting. One lady is waiting actually. Light is still green, so we can carry on. So that's how you will do second exit from Garretts Green side. You will use middle lane. Now I can use signal. No one is coming, we can carry on. So now I will stay in the right lane. So this is first exit, still keep right. I am approaching second exit, so I will start observing left, and now I will use signal as well. Observe again and take the exit. left, mirror signal, bit slow down. You can see this sign is bit sharp left, so I will go more slow. Okay, now we are approaching to the roundabout from same side, from Garretts Green side, but this time we are going to turn right, third exit towards Birmingham airport. So as you know, there are 3 lanes on the approach from this side, so this time we will use right lane, and I can use right indicator as well now. So as soon as you enter the roundabout from here, you need to go slightly straight and then steer left so we can join right lane without blocking the middle lane traffic. So bus is coming this way. I will wait for the bus. White car is going left. I may be able to go. Yes. So I will keep right lane, indicator again, keep right. This is first exit, still keeping right. Now I can start observing left. Indicator is off, don't worry about indicator. Now I can use indicator again, observe left, observe again, and take the exit. Then again speed up because this is 40 mile, and move to the right lane so we don't go to the bus lane. So that's how you will do multi-lane roundabout, second exit and third exit. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.